Jingle bell rock, jingle bells swing.
Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to Vlogmas Day 23. I'm pretty sure, but let's get into the video and make sure to subscribe down below, like, share and comment. And also I hope you're enjoying our Vlogmas. It's coming to an end. I am excited, also kind of sad at the same point of time. I don't know, but let's get into the video. So this is my lock screen. It pretty much says the date, day, and also it has a beautiful wallpaper which says the universe has big plans for me and it's time to claim them. And I feel so confident whenever I see this. That's why I kept it as my lock screen wallpaper, because whenever I open this phone I like to see this. So that's that. Now coming to my home screen. Screen recording starting in 1, 2 and here we are. This is how my home screen looks like. I think it's so cute overall, and yeah, this is how my entire phone looks like. And don't get confused, I use the Android phone. This is the Realme 3i and I use the iPhone launcher iOS 14. I got this app from an Play Store. It's called the iOS 14 launcher. So I use an iPhone launcher, but I do not own an iPhone, if that makes sense. But I keep it because I really like it for some reason. I don't know, it's really cute, it's really aesthetic, and this is also my way of manifesting owning an iPhone in my future, if that really makes sense. But I don't think it needs an explanation, but let's get into it. The first thing we have is this widget of Spotify. It shows the currently listening music. So I was currently listening to my Christmas playlist. You can watch this video if you want to know, or I'll leave my Spotify playlist down below. So it is the Rocking Around the Christmas Tree. I hella love this music. It's by Brenda Lee. I think it's so cute again. And the next is also a Christmas widget. It says Merry Christmas. I got it from Pinterest. And yeah, I also have one below. This is also a Christmas widget, and I think everything goes so well. And the first thing is my folder. I really like to keep my apps in folders, so yeah, it's more convenient to use. So the first folder has this little white heart, which means it is really personally attached to me, and I really like this one personally. That's what it means. So first we have YouTube, of course. So this is my YouTube channel, obviously you all know, and I really am proud of how my channel looks like at the moment. And yeah, I also did change my banner in case if you guys didn't notice. And next we have is Instagram, and which is also the app I spend most of my day in. And this is my Instagram profile. In case if you didn't know, I also had an Instagram page at AnjaliYT_9. You can definitely go follow me there if you want. I do post some reels, I have some highlights, I also have some IGTVs, and I also go live there. Next we have it's WhatsApp. I'm obviously not gonna open because it has some private chats. Next I have is Snapchat, and I actually don't use this phone, like this app, a lot, but it's fun. Actually it's fun. You can go follow me there at Anjalis Vijayan, obviously. Yeah. Next we have is Spotify. I love Spotify these days. I'm like almost on it for like 24/7. I love listening to music. I also have some playlists, but it's messed up. I'll surely get them back together really soon. And this is my profile if you wanna go follow me there. Yeah. The next thing I have is Pinterest. I adore Pinterest. Like I love Pinterest. I don't think my life would be this aesthetic if I didn't have Pinterest. And this has my old YouTube channel name, which is ABS_vlogger YT. You can go follow me there if you want. I do have some pins, and yeah, that's that. And the next thing I have is Candy Crush. I was obsessed with this app at some point of time, like a month ago, and yeah, I did like this app a lot. But yeah, that's that. It's really addicting though. And next we have is YT Studio. Not gonna open it, sorry, but it's basically an app which almost every YouTuber has, where you can see your analytics, like basically how your channel is doing and all, replying to comments and all. Yeah, so that's the first folder, which I think is personally really attached to me. I use this app regularly. Moving on to the next one, which I'm not really excited about. This one has the emoji of a backpack, which means school. Yeah, it's basically about school. I have classroom where my teacher sends all the assignments, and we also have meetings on Google Meet. Next we have is all document scanner, so I can scan PDFs, docs and all. Next we have Google Meet. In case if my tab doesn't work, I go on my meetings on my phone. Next we have Keep Notes. I really love this app so much. I use it to basically make a to-do list if I'm feeling like. And next I have Calculator. I don't know why I put this app into this folder, but yeah. And next I have is this word search. So actually my English teacher told us to play these types of games to improve your brain and all, and to also to improve your English. So yeah, I use that. Now next folder is obviously Google. It has basically all the Google apps: Google, Gmail, Maps, Drive, Photos. I also have some more, I don't know where they are. And next folder says I don't know why I kept that, but it basically has some random apps, which includes Game Center, Weather, Clone Phone, App Market. This is the app which I use, which for the iOS launcher. In case if you want to download or something, you can definitely use this. And yeah, next we also have some FM radio messages and clock. Now moving on to the next app I have is this Music. I never use this app a lot because I usually listen to all the musics on Spotify, so it's like that, like sitting there alone. I don't use it anymore. Next is we have is Anchor. If you didn't know, I have a podcast on Spotify, and this is my profile. And yeah, you can definitely go follow me there. I'll link the podcast down below. Next is we have is Canva. I personally love this app so much. I usually make edits for my friends on their birthday. I also make my YouTube thumbnail on this app. As you can see, I have all the thumbnails and all. And overall, it's a really cool app. I'll definitely recommend it to you guys. Next we have is InShot. I use this app to make small videos, like for reels and all. If I need to edit them, I do that. I haven't really used this app till now. And yeah, that's that. Now coming to the down apps, I have Contacts, Camera, App Store and Photos. Not gonna open any of them, which includes my personal details. Yeah. Now when we come like this, I have the notification bar. And yeah, moving on to the next page, I have this random apps which I never use. I have again Contacts, Compass, Recorder, Settings, Phone Manager, Videos, File Manager, Safari, HeyTab Cloud and KWGT. I use this app for the widgets. And roaming, files, weather, calendar, Chrome, theme store. And in between I have this really cute picture of my family, which includes me, my dad, my mom and my brother. And next we have this thing. It's not at all organized. Yeah, so that's basically it. Alrighty guys, with that we come to an end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this little video. I know it was all in a rush, but I hope you guys enjoyed it, and see you guys in my next video. It's really sad that Vlogmas is getting over, and also kind of relieved because Vlogmas is stressful, not gonna lie, it is really stressful. But not complaining and all, I obviously love it. But see you guys in my next video. Till that, stay home, stay safe, take care of yourself and your family. I love you guys so much. Bye loves.